Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video where we dive deep into a common SSH problem that many of us face. So, picture this. You're trying to connect to a host using SSH but keep hitting a snag. The problem lies in the fact that even though you haven't disabled password authentication, you're still getting an error about too many authentication failures. Frustrating, right? Now, onto the solution. It turns out that the reason behind this hiccup is multiple SSH keys that are not tied to specific domains or IPs. Since all of these keys are being tested and none match the host you're trying to connect to, they all fail. This leads to the SSH program attempting various keys until it hits the limit of allowed login attempts on the server, hence the error message. But fear not, once all the keys fail, the next authentication method in line is the good old username and password combo. Solution aside, remember that it's crucial to restrict your keys to specific hosts to avoid running into similar authentication issues in the future. By doing so, you ensure a smoother and more efficient SSH authentication process without hitting unnecessary roadblocks. In a nutshell, navigating SSH authentication errors can be tricky, but by understanding the root cause and taking proactive steps like linking your keys to specific hosts, you can avoid getting locked out. That's all for today, folks. Remember to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below with your own SSH troubles. We're all in this together.